Hello folks, we have an IPMAT Crash Course from 2IIM's starting on April 3rd. To start with, IPMAT is a wonderful exam. The integrated MBA course is an exam that lots of students should write. The number of people who take this exam is still too few. If you've heard about it, if you're aware of it, if you're kind of thinking about it, write the exam, have that option. Lots of students who just finished 12th standard, you'll have 100 exams to plan for and account for. I'm not saying you should prepare for it, but you should definitely think about taking the exam. And all of you who are in 11th, you should say, look, I'm already writing it down. All parents should say, look, you're taking this exam for sure. There are three exams for indoor, Rotak and GPMAT. GPMAT is the exam for a bunch of other IIMs. All slightly different but on a similar theme of testing aptitude. Indoor is the toughest and GPMAT is the easiest. And so what do we offer for a comprehensive course online for, we do about 50 live sessions, each about 2 to 3 hours. We cover almost the entire syllabus as part of this live course. Apart from this, there's a self-paced course that's sitting there, which is super useful, a series of recorded lectures. Why that's super useful is because we're cramming this in 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and there are other calls on your time. So there's going to be some exam you have to write, some follow-up you have to do, some application you have to complete, some results you have to wait for, all of that in this window. Therefore, you may miss some classes, in which case you have to go back to the recorded lecture and then see that, or the recording and learn from that. So this is a gigantic recorded course. So 5,000 questions for 3,000 questions for practice, and about 1,500, 2,000, no, not more than that, 3,000 videos sitting inside the course to learn from. And super comprehensive course, a bunch of mocks. We also provide assistance for interviews whenever they come. So it's a super good exam, super powerful course. Should everyone take the exam? Should everyone think about the exam? Yes. Can everyone allocate the time to prepare for this? Probably not. If you have your JEE Advanced or you have a bunch of other exams, then you may be better off taking 3-4 mocks and then just winging it. But any which way, think about preparing for the exam or taking the exam and then doing some preparation for it. Those of you who are committed to it, who are saying this is a serious thing, I'm serious about it, you should think about the course and have a crack at it. The course starts on 3rd of April. The course is entirely online. You can find the descriptions for course, how to join, what should you do for pre-reading, how should you prepare, what is the schedule, all of that by clicking on the links in the description. Check that out. Or just give us a call, reach out, we'll be able to fill you in on all the details, or send us a WhatsApp, we'll reach out back to you. Right? Super good exam, fun time to prepare for, lovely exam in terms of fun element to prepare for as well. Do give it a shot, best wishes.